Fighting words.
Hello world, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. They are just blowing the leaves out there. Okay, better. No noise. Perfect. Alright, thank you guys so much for still being here, for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that jazz. I hope you guys like this vlog, and yeah, let's just get into it. Hi guys, so I have been using something super new for my skin, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys because it's super neat and I love it so much. It is a radio frequency device, which is super neat. It heats the skin from 50 to about 75 degrees Celsius, and that promotes heat shock for your skin, which then will stimulate collagen for your skin. And we all know we want all the collagen we can have. We want to look beautiful and young, and I feel like we rely on collagen so much, and this will definitely help. It erases smile lines and crow's feet. It lessens necklines and stretch marks, lifts the facial contour, which is amazing because you know I love that. And it is anti-aging, which is absolutely amazing because I'm trying to look as young as possible. I don't know about you guys. There are so many more other benefits to this. Just go ahead and check everything on their website. It will be linked in my description down below. And once this is charged, I will show you guys how I use it. And yeah. You open the box like so, and it's so cute. The packaging is amazing. So what it comes with is a botanical soothing gel, a silk baggie to put the device in, everything that you need to charge the device with, and you are ready to go. Let's talk about how it works. Okay, so let me kind of explain to you what each button does. There is the one-touch button right here with LED for more intelligent control. And then we do have the larger radio frequency panel right here, and it does have more micro radio frequency dots. It does have 384, and then the LED light bar for monitoring treatment duration and how hot it will get. So, and also it does have vibration and sound alerts for switching modes and the power on and off. Okay, starting off with a clean face, I am taking the botanical soothing gel, and I am going to start with only one side of my face. And then I press down and start gliding the Nebulyft up on my cheek, and I do the other side after I put on the soothing gel. And then I obviously also do my neck, which is recommended. And then I kind of just did that same motion for about 10 minutes. Oh my goodness, so I did it for about 10 minutes. It's such a interesting feeling. It's like after you put the gel on and then you start kind of going, you feel like the warm radio frequency on your skin, and it just feels so nice. I love it. I feel like my skin already looks glowy, and I can't wait to just see what it looks like. A couple days, a couple weeks, I'll keep you guys updated on everything. This is so freaking cool. I absolutely love it. I will have their website and their app link down below in my description box, so go check them out.
Go Ohio State.
What do you have to say about that?
Go blue, baby. Fighting words.
The drama. Heinous, but I'm getting ready to go to a birthday. I'm gonna do my makeup.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away.
casual, cute, love it. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Shave hair. Say hello to the world. Alright, that's it. That was the vlog. Thank you guys so much again for being here, liking, commenting, subscribing, and I can't wait for Christmas time. And it's gonna be my birthday, December 16th, so hopefully I'll get a birthday / Christmas vlog out. We'll see about that. I'm gonna go eat some poke that I ordered, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Yeah, until the next vlog. Bye!